Oh, Sammy, no, you're not. No, Sammy, don't. That's better. Ooh, Sammy, poo. I guess I'll have to clean it up. Wait, this doesn't feel or smell like real poo. So welcome back to Fun and Toys by Maddie, and today we'll be checking out this squishy poo. It's so squishy, and it sounds like it's made of water. And let's see, is it made of water? Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, that is so gross. But it's so fun to throw up in the air. I just can't let it explode. It would be so awful. I would cry so hard. Water would go everywhere. And mold. Lots and lots of mold. Nobody likes mold. So you can look at this squishy poo, like brown, like the poo color. It looks like there's also like bubbles and like soap bubbles. Jiggle jiggle. So it's kinda in the poop emoji shape, but it has no face on it. No face on it makes it more realistic. Though it does not look that much like real poop because it's like in this shape. I don't know. Okay, it smells bad. But it doesn't smell like poop. It smells like rubber. Rubber. So you can look at this while I hold it. Ew. It makes like that sound. That sound is so gross. So tell me down in the comments if you think this toy is gross. Okay, and make sure to hit that like button and tap that subscribe button, and I'll see you in